I'm Tom Crozier, I'm a quality inspector and I work for Brandauer. I inspect the jobs that get made and compare them to the drawings that the companies specify. I look into the processes that we follow and make sure that they're done correctly as well, and make sure that the factory layout is good as well. I looked into the core areas of the company and on my work experience that I came to do for Brandauer, and the one that jumped out to me the most was quality. So I looked into apprenticeships and what I could do to get into it for In-Comm, and the one that again came out to me the most was the one for continuous improvement, which came into quality. That looked into 8Ds and continuous improvement and how you can just make a business better and how you can improve yourself to make a business more efficient. It seemed really interesting and I jumped on it. I feel like as a person I now look at things differently. I feel like I've matured as well, just quite a lot, to be honest. Always through school I was interested in designing and drawings and measurements and DT, that kind of thing. And I kind of just thought and compared how similar they were, and it looked like it was almost completely the same with a bit more technicality, and it really seemed like it was interesting and I wanted to learn more about it. Yeah, they offer lots of different things. They let you change if you're not sure as well, so it's good for opportunities, and they help you kind of find what you want to do in life as well. Even if it's not with Brandauer, they help you try and move about, see what you can do and see whether it's right for you. I would recommend it. I'd say just have a look and see just don't rule anything out. Come in with an open mind, and if you don't like what you start doing, that doesn't mean that you won't like something else. So manufacturing is about making stuff, but you can find a job in there that's not particularly about that. You can find, for example, you can do setting and then decide, oh, I don't really like that. I want to do into measuring the parts, and then you can go into then looking into the customer service kind of side of things, or you can do the complete opposite, go and measuring them and then come out setting them, or it's a very broad place, Brandauer, and it offers a lot of things, and lots of manufacturing places do the same.